Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, we believe that when we will be happy, our work will be happy. So, with a great smile, we will start our work. And chalo, let's get started with a beautiful craft today. So, for this, we need this plate. This is a paper plate, scissors, and wool you can take or any other thread you have, and a sellotape just to fix it up in the end. Your brush pens, marker pens, scissors, a cardboard, everything I hopefully would be ready. So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay, so you would be having bigger or smaller plate. It's absolutely fine. And you will see creatively we are going to make a beautiful sea world. Do you show me your plates, everyone? Show me your plates, how big it is. I just want to check it. Very good. If your plate is big, you will be having bigger surface. Okay, paper plate. Many of you are having shiny plates, so it's okay. And you can simply use shiny plates also. I can see like Shukhalia is having a plate which is quite shiny. But if a stiff plate, this kind of stiff plate will help you because we are going to weave. We are going to put our wool around. So this kind of stiff plate is going to help you out a lot. Very good. Very nice. ठीक है? तो चलो without delay, let's get started. So here, as many of you are having silver plate, many of you are having plates with so many partitions, and many of you are having white. So we can let's go ahead with the whatever kind of plate we have. Once you will understand it, then after the class, you can arrange the things accordingly and go for it. Chehak, this is lovely artwork in your hands. I just don't have words to praise this masterpiece. With wool, cotton pasting, you really made it extraordinary. Very good, Chehak. Please do share it on WhatsApp. And yeah, even this artwork is also excellent. So, chalo, ready? Can we start the work with smile? We always start to work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? Okay, so chalo, let's get started. Okay? Now what you will do? The very first thing you will take your plate. So I will take this plate. Now see, many of you are having different, like my wool is, like my thread is white. And I will put blue color here. If your wool is blue and your paper is silver, suppose your plate is silver, so don't do any color because on silver you won't be able to color it. And if any other color, so you can take some color, but it should not be of the same color of your thread or wool, whatever you're using. It should be different color. If it is white, then use blue. So I will be using blue color. And what I will do, I will simply start coloring the background. Okay? So here we are going to make a beautiful sea world. And you can even use this technique for making a spider's web. Yeah, even for spider's web also you can use it. Yes. So for this, what we are going to do, we will simply take out pen. Come on, take out your brush pen. Those who are having white or some other color of the plate. Okay. So my color of thread is going to be white. So I will prefer using blue color. And if it is blue, then use any light color. So that your thread will, if because see, if I will put the thread directly, it will be lost. And silver color, suppose you have, then you can leave your background with silver color also. And what you will do, I will start doing colors in background. Come on. Okay? So, chalo, let's get started. Take out your color. And yeah, our each artwork is having a story. Even today's artwork is having a beautiful story. Okay? So, I will take it and I will do blue. So now this blue you can either do only here or you can cover the whole surface. It's completely your choice what ways. And here one more thing you can do. You can even use your paintbrush and you can paint it. You can do that ways also. But I will prefer using this color because dry color medium will make my work easy and ready to use. Otherwise, we will have to wait because after this we will switch on to next step and that is tying our thread. So I will be using blue color. On dark blue, my white waves, because water I'm going to show with help of thread, so it will look great. Come on. So this is the way I will finish. If you want to finish the whole like a plate with blue color, yes, you can color the whole plate also with blue. We will see if we could do that. So come on, take a brush pen. If you want to put layers, you can. And if you feel that you want to make some grass and this kind of things, you can even make. If you're light blue color, if you have light blue color, you can even use light blue color. You know? And this ways you will color the whole. So either you can go for a circle or you can color the whole plate with blue color. Make sure no white space, and on paper it will work easily. If it is going light, then you can apply two coats. So as my thread is going to be white, you can see it. This wool or whatever you are using. So you can use, I will not use light color. I will rather go for dark color so that it will turn up well. Okay? So chalo, this is the way you will finish. And if you feel, if you think that you want to finish, and I suppose if you feel that you want to make some grass or something of this kind, some stones or something of this kind, if you feel you want to, you can. I think it all will go inside. And then now here, this is a plate. In this, if you have some shells, and many times when we visit some beaches, we collect some shells, some dry grass. If you have, you can put that also inside. And let us see if I could color the whole plate. Yes, I think I can color the whole plate. So I will love to color the whole plate with dark blue color, leaving the tip only white. The complete inner surface, I will love to go with it. Okay? Very carefully, or otherwise you can color the tip as well. So chalo, let's finish it nicely. And it will look like blue ocean. Okay, it will look like a beautiful blue ocean. So this is a story of mama and baby fish. Okay, we are going to make a mama and baby fish. So yes, in our story also there is mama and baby fish. Okay. Yes, so we will make waves with 3D, and this is a cute little aquarium. Okay, so best out of waste. If you have best out of waste in your syllabus, you can definitely try this, but make sure as it is best out of waste, to try to reuse a plate. Like if any party, samosa party or anything is there, use that plate. Today, like this is requirement of time that we should reuse things. So here you can see I completely did it blue. And now the surface also, let's complete the surface also. So my whole plate will become this color. So those who are having silver, like silver is like a plastic coated. So I don't think on this brush pen will work. So they don't need to do any work because silver itself is a beautiful color. So, but in that case, you will make your fishes little uh, according to the color, which will get highlighted on silver background. Okay? Yes, so see, this is the way. You will start with your work. And if your plate is thin, suppose you think that your plate is thin and you have 2 to 3 plates, you can put them together and you can simply paste them together, putting little favicol. So what will happen? Your paper plate will become thick because we are going to put thread now. So we need little thick like surface. So suppose your plate is very thin, then take 2, 3 plates. Suppose you feel that this paper is thin. So I can take one more plate and simply make a pile of it so that I will find the proper. So see, I simply colored it blue using my brush pen. You can use watercolors also for this, but in case of watercolors, we have to wait, and we want to start our next step quickly. So that's why we did this. But if you are making in like after this class, if you want to make, and you can definitely take help of watercolors also. And if paper plate is plastic coated, then acrylic color will work over. On plastic coated things, watercolors don't work. So in that case, you will have to switch on to acrylic colors. Okay. And see, I completed the plates nicely without leaving any white anywhere. And see, this is the way it is completed. Can you see this? Okay. Yes, so see, this is the way my complete plate is blue now. And I simply used my brush pen for this. And see, on blue, like white thread will work nicely. And it will go this way. Come on, do this. Okay. Yes, I'll take a pause and I will continue my story. So, what happened in my story then? This mama and baby, they were living happily in a in a river at a place, and they were very happy because abundant of food was available, water was crystal clear, and life was extremely good and very happy. So they were very happy here. But slowly they started realizing that the water is stinking, and I like very strange smell is coming out of it. So they were not knowing that what is the reason behind. Why suddenly this has happened? That it has started smelling. So what happened? Mother fish decided, I will try to find out the reason why suddenly the quality of water has deteriorated. Okay. And with this intention, mother fish came out and taking a deep breath, simply jumped out in air and looked outside. She was able to understand the reason behind why the water quality has deteriorated. Come on, do. I'm waiting. Okay, all of you finish this much. I'm waiting, and then we will come on our next step. And in that, we want a paper. We want a paper. So for this, I will take a drawing sheet. Okay, and we will simply make our figures over. Okay, so one paper we need. Any thick paper. It should be thick enough because with help of these papers only I'm going to make my fishes. So this paper should be thick enough. Cardboard, like very thick paper. This is again a beautiful paper, wonderful paper with thick quality. I can even use one sheet out of it. Wow, this is amazing quality. Yes. See, thick. It's quite thick. Yes, I will go with it. Okay. And if you have any colorful paper, now see, for on this, we will use any light color. Yellow will go with it. And we can even go for light pink color, light pink, not dark. Because our background is quite dark, and white will also go with it. So you will select the colors for your fish very light. So I will wait, all of you finish this. Okay, and then we will start the work. And this is going to be very different kind of craft you are learning. And for best out of waste projects, this is outstanding. You can connect it with Save Water World. You you can even show small plastic pieces and you can connect it with water pollution. Many times this kind of creative things you need to make for class decoration. So you can definitely you can use this technique for making a cage and you can draw a bird and put it inside. If you have some shells, you can do pasting of shells also, dry leaves also here. So what will happen? It will look like a underground water world. Today we are not going to use all this because it will make the work complicated. But these are ideas which you could use. Okay. Yes. So all of you finish this. Can I check your plate? Yes. With brush pen. Those who are having silver, keep it silver because no color will move on silver and silver. And if your paper is thin, so if you have 2 3 plates, you just make it thick using piles of it. Very good. Shall we move ahead? Yeah. Show your thumbs up and thumb down if you want me to wait for you. Yes, thumbs up with smile. This is rule of our class. Because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. Okay, Niharika, how much is left? Show your plate. Okay, little part is left. Come on, quickly do it. Okay. Yes, I will wait for a little more time. And Stuti, you used watercolors? Stuti, show. Wow, it's beautifully completed. And those who have done, they can show their plates. I want to see. Okay, very good. Janani has completed, and Neha has also done. Harvey, yes, very good. It is done. And here, Devanshi put light blue color, teal blue color with green and all, grass and all. Wow. It will turn up so well as you have perfect color for making. And make sure that your wool should be little darker. Darshan has also completed. Anvita has also done. You can show your plates. And Aditri has also done. Aradhya, Akshaya. And we kept it silver because she was having silver plate, so she kept it silver only. Chalo, so now we will switch on to next thing. Now you will take your paper, and you will take your paper and you will mark a line. And like the same as big as this, or you can simply see that how much big. And you can decide the circle, like this circle. Okay, this much big fish is going to look great. And so this circle, you just take a circle and small fish. If I want to make the one small fish with this circle, so you just keep the circle which you're going to use for making fish in your object. It will help you understand, okay, this much fish will work. So one mama fish I will make with this, and little bigger I will make with this. So chalo, let's get started. I will keep this on one side and I will make a circle, and I always use my corners, so that the whole paper can be used for other purposes as well. So I will simply make one big fish. I will cut it half, and we took the size, how much big it could be. So we took a size, okay, this much. And if you will cut directly and then you will find the fish extra big. So what will happen? It will not look good in our aquarium. So I cut it half, and you can see it is going little outside here and there. And using this, we will start the work. So when Mama Fish jumped out and was able to see that earlier, like there was no human living here, but now human has come here, and it's time to leave this place. So they decided to leave this place and to reach to some other place, because it started stinking more and more, because human who were living around, they were throwing all sewage, all garbage, all plastic waste, and this was blocking the oxygen supply. So this mother fish told other fishes also, this is time to move away from here. And otherwise we won't be able to survive. But other fishes said, no, we took birth here only. We will die here only. But for the sake of my baby's future, this mama fish decided. The name of baby in our story is Nemo. And this story is available on my YouTube channel also. Every day at 8 o'clock, we are live with a new story. Okay, now what you will do, I will give a close-up view so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, so I will connect it here, connect it here, same ways, connect it here. And if you want to make a starfish, you can make starfish. Many times we have cutouts also. So using those cutouts also we could make. And you will mark 2 points. We will keep the shape of a fish very simple, so that easily we could do this. And you can see I simply took the corner, not in the center. So that remaining part of the paper could be used for some other purposes as well. So using this circle, is looking like eye. And using this circle, I will make mama fish and baby fish. Okay. We will color it, we will outline it, and then we will cut it. Okay. And after that, we will start with the weaving. We will start making water with help of thread or wool you have. Can I check the wool or thread you have? Show me. Yes, of what color you have. Uh, it is white, okay. Advita is having orange ribbon, ठीक है, it's okay. Uh, yes, white. Maximum of you are having white, okay. है ना? Yeah, it will go. Thread, this thread will also work with, okay. Yeah, but afterwards you can go for thick one. Yes, so maximum of you are having white, and Ranakshana is having green, and Tuhina is having like dark red and I think brown it is, na? Tuhina? Yeah, very good. And this is of black color. Once you have a black color, so I think for this you should keep your background lighter. है ना? Chalo now, let's complete our fish, and same ways we will complete our baby fish also. Baby fish, if you want to make little smaller, you could go for little smaller also. Show for a line. And we are going to keep it very simple so that cutting will be easy, na? Because you're too young. So see, near this I will mark a point and simply you will be making it. Take eraser and erase your circle. If you have googly eyes, you can use even googly eyes. But as we didn't mention, we keep material list very simple. Otherwise, for googly eyes, only like kids, they start panicking. But if you have googly eyes, you can definitely use googly eyes also for this. Okay? Otherwise, you can draw as I'm making. So you will simply okay, and you are going to keep it simple. We will not make it too much colorful. And if you feel like to add colors also, so we will be using very light colors because our background is quite dark now. So we are going to use very light color. So a C and eyes, and then mark 2 points. One where this middle shape is getting over. First mark points, and then simply making diagonal line and a C. First you will make diagonal line and then you will make a C. Okay, this is the way you will complete fish, and same ways we will complete baby fish. Okay, so chalo. And you can see I'm using extreme corner so that no paper will go waste. And here, if I will keep my fish white, that will also look great. But my thread is also white, I will not keep it white. I will cut it half. Now we all know the method. First, we will make this front and okay, then you will mark 2 points, two diagonal lines, 1 point. We all know if you want to make any other, many times you have stars, big stars, available. So you simply put two eyes and make a smile, and you can use that as starfish. Even spider you can make, because we are going to weave with this, okay, and which will make your work looking extremely beautiful and different. I will make this is the smaller one. We can call it as yes. So this line already we have. And one diagonal line C, one diagonal line C, and your two fishes are ready. Okay, these are going to be your two fishes. With circle, you can see found the shape so good. Okay, am I audible? Can you see the screen properly? Yes, show your thumbs up. Yes. Okay, great. So come on, let's do this. Okay. Yes. So here and here what we did, we simply kept our object, which you're going to use, so that our fish, if you will start making it directly, so what will happen? It could be very big and not proportionate to the aquarium. So always use this. And if you have any party, like if you have any. Am I clearly audible? Please show a thumbs up. Can you hear me? Okay. So I will return back to my story. Okay. So what happened in my story then? So Mama Fish decided for the sake of baby, and I like so that my baby could breathe in fresh air. So it decided we will leave this place. Now Nemo was very much worried here. She was having friend circle. Nemo is the name of baby fish. Okay. So Nemo was very much fearful. Mama, tomorrow we are going to leave. Mama said, yes, we will have to leave. Otherwise, we won't be able to survive. But here we have friends and we are used to of living this at this place. We don't know about the outer world. So Mama said, ki, don't worry. God is always there to protect us. And that day, Mama said, ki, let's pray to Almighty God. And they both closed their eyes and started their prayers. And what was their prayer? Their prayer was, God, give me wisdom, give me courage so that we can do it. We can leave this place and very safely we can reach to a place which is having a beauty, which is having life. And they prayed like this. And my dear children, this should be your prayer actually. है ना if we will say God do this for me, please may take me to this place, take me to that place, no, this is the prayer which will never get answer. If you really want to get your prayer answered, then you will have to frame it in perfect words, and your word should be, God, give me wisdom, give me courage so that I can do it. You will have to take action, okay? Then your things will happen. Can I check your fishes? Please show me. And if your plate is very big and you feel like to make more fishes and two babies also, according to the size of your fish, you can add. And if your plate is very small, then now we will start with the outlines. So now I will take my thick marker pen and I will move. You can do even one thing, as I want to keep my fishes erase the lines properly, okay? Erase the lines properly. And even the tail, if you feel that tail, you want to keep it straight, you can keep the tail straight. And what I will do, I will simply do yellow. I'm using brush pen. I will be making it this way. Okay. Complete tail, mouth, and this I will make with yellow. So we will use a color as dark blue color we are using for background. And I'm using yellow before and black afterwards, because many times when you give outlines, so it starts spreading when you use yellow. So yellow color become very dusky. So that's why I decided I will use yellow first and then we will start with the work. So nicely erase unwanted lines and then do yellow here. And in another fish, you will show yellow body and pink all around. So I am going to use two very milky and light colors, baby pink and yellow. These are going to be my colors, and the reason behind using this color is to keep it beautifully done. You could have even make stripes with pink and white, as I'm going to. And here also I will simply, first when you're using brush pen, always give outlines first and then move your color in one direction. Always keep this thing in mind. After giving outlines, you will start moving it in one direction. Okay. And this is the way you will simply finish it. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So here you can see in one fish, I made mouth, tail, fins with yellow and body with pink. And in another fish, I simply revert all the things which I made yellow. Here I made it with pink and tummy with yellow color. And with proper outlines of bold black sketch pen. Don't worry, after this I'm going to wait for you so that you can properly finish. And bold outlines will give a neat and clean look. And nicely you will finish. Okay. So, and I use thick paper. If you will use thin paper, because we are going to put it inside, so thin paper will not work here. Okay. So please make sure your paper quality should be great. If you want to reuse wedding cards, you can even use that. Wedding cards are having beautiful colors, you know. So if your color is like favorable, then in that case, you can even skip the color of fish. So many times lovely patterns it has. So using that, you can. Many times you have a plastic fish, you know, plastic fish or toy fish. So you can even put that also for making fish. So you can see this is the way I completed, and after giving outlines, they are really looking great. And these two fishes are going to look super cute on my seawall. See, it will turn up well. Okay. So we completed color first. Many times it happens that when you give outline and then you try to do yellow, so it starts spreading. You know, so that's why we simply revert. We did the black outline in the end. Come on, do this. Okay. So I will return back to my story. So what happened? They finally, and they prayed like this. And next morning, early morning, with first ray, when the sun rises, with first ray of sun, they again prayed to Almighty God. God, give us wisdom, give us courage so that we can do it. And then Mother told that now Nimmo hold my hands tight. We will set out for a new journey. And they start swimming. And they were out like for the first time they left the place where they were living and they were used to of living at that place. But mom took this very bold decision, very courageous decision for the sake of child, so that my child could be happy, healthy, you know, and they left. And when they started moving, like everything was okay, it was looking great. Nemo and mom, they were comfortable, they took rest and they were having little snacks, they ate it, and afterwards they again started, and slowly the current of river it started increasing, the pressure of water it started increasing, and Nemo like started panicking. Mama, the current is very like strong, I'm not able to bear. Mama, please hold my hands. And Mama said, be courageous, my dear. And see this, the waves. Now you are out to learn the lesson of life. Be courageous and remember Almighty God. We will definitely be victorious. And saying this, like, and giving like courage that God is always with us. So they kept swimming, and slowly that area, that particular span where the water current was very high, they crossed it and they reached to a place where water was pleasant, peaceful, settled, and water was crystal clear. And here, countless different fishes were also swimming. Abundant of food was available. And here, the water was so fresh. Mama fish and baby fish, they realized this is that place for which they were looking for. Okay? Shall we move ahead? Yes? Now you will take your scissors. Now, what is the method of cutting? And this is a big paper. If you will start cutting directly, and it will not work. First, remove that small. Always remove that small piece out of your paper. Okay? Yes, so you will remove it this ways. And same ways you will remove this also. So always cut your shape from a big shape. And then if you will cut now, you will find it easy to cut. Now keep this bigger paper carefully. Don't throw it off because we will be using it for next craft. And now we are going to have, and now if you feel that you want to cut the surroundings as well, you can do that or you can cut it down very carefully. Don't leave your black outline very carefully. And that's why we kept our cutting very simple, the shape very simple. So you will cut in the way that the black outline will not be removed. So keep your black outline carefully and you will cut the fish. Shape is quite simple. There are no ornamental curves which will make, and keep removing. Now see, after cutting this much, I will remove it. Then I will start from this corner. I will cut the little portion of tail. I will remove it. See, I will remove this paper. Then I will cut. I will remove this paper. Then I will cut. Very carefully, I will suggest to use small scissors. And with your small hands, it will be comfortable for all of you to use that scissors. and you will simply cut the fish like this. And here the aquarium, all those like in shoe box and all also could be made. And here I'm not making it complicated, but yes, you can put grass, you can put some stones, you can draw some stones, you can even draw on paper and you can put it. So in so many ways you can make it extraordinarily and all the paper remove. So my first fish is ready and now I will cut my second fish also. Brush pens are amazing color mediums because the output we get is so appealing and beautiful. Okay, so yes, so these two fishes are looking for waves which we are going to make with help of thread. Okay, which will make our work looking extraordinarily beautiful. So very carefully, you can keep cutting the extra paper nicely and make sure the outline you will not cut. Very carefully keeping the outline here. And suppose your outline you cut, then you can, in cuttings, you can apply that outline again. So these are two fishes ready. Wow, they are looking so cute, isn't it? Yellow and pink combination is really looking great. And on my blue, can you see? Oh, wow. It will look great. See how nice it is looking now? So see, on blue, it will turn up well. And the size is also perfect. The one fish we will put upper side, one we will put lower side. Okay? Chalo. So let's keep our fishes. And your fishes should be thick enough. Otherwise, what will happen if your paper is very thin? It will roll. It will roll. So make sure your paper should be thick enough. So chalo, I will keep my fishes here on one side. And now the most beautiful work. If you feel that you want to make some grass also, let's try with some green color. Although on blue it will not look very clear, but you can add some grass, at least little suggestive look it will be having. Now very carefully try to understand what to do, which is going to make our work looking beautiful and very different than others. Okay? Come on, cut your fishes. So finally they reached their place, and here all different fishes were there. These fishes were having beautiful shiny yellow color and fluorescent pink color. So other fishes were super like impressed with such bright colors. All the fishes there, they were gray in color, and but they were beautiful. So they welcomed these fishes and asked, from where are you? And then they explained everything. Because of human, like our lives become so difficult, and now we want to stay here. So very happily they said, "Ki, okay, you can live with us." So this ways they all became friends, and a courageous action, because of one courageous action they reached to a place. Those who are not having plates, they can even cut a round shape. With paper. They can cut a round shape with paper. And they can do it. So done, everyone. Shall we move ahead? Yeah. If you don't have paper plate now, you can take a cardboard, thick cardboard. You can cut a round shape and you can do this. Okay, show your thumbs up if you're ready. Yes. Okay, I can see thumb down. ठीक है, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Jacqueline, I can see your thumb down. Continue. I'm waiting. Okay. Yes. So now we will. Yes, Shruti, I can see so beautifully you colored it. Okay. So what is the like crux of the story? What is takeaway of the story? So first, taking courageous action, in time. I can see Kashi made beautiful checks. Like she kept the body white and put checks with colors, and it is really looking great. some patterns, beautiful patterns. So yes, of course, you can do that also. But make sure if your background is very dark, like we use dark blue color now, to make your fishes with light color. Orange is also looking great. Advita, Advika, orange fish is really looking great. You add patterns also in body. So see how creative you are. I kept body plain, but you add patterns and dots, so many things. So show me your thumbs up. Then only we will move ahead because next step I want all of you to do with me. Okay, finish it quickly. Or we can do one thing. One thing we can do. And one fish if you have done, you can cut your fish afterwards. And stop doing. You can cut your fish afterwards. Let's complete the waves. Okay. So your cutting part you leave aside because we simply want to cut and place. So that can be done afterwards also. Let's move ahead because 99% students they have done. Okay. So chalo, let's move ahead. So what you will do now, you will take pencil, take pencil. Come on, take pencil. And you will mark a line here, half. Half of this, you will mark a line. And you can mark a line. Although this could be done directly also, you will mark line near, near, near. I will use white pen so that you can easily see that where I'm marking lines. Okay. So I will be using white for that so that you can understand, you know, so that you can understand where lines I'm making. Just a minute. I will take my white acrylic marker. Yes. So see, it is almost half. है ना, half. So one line here. है ना, hopefully it is very clear now. And then you will keep making lines. See, this is the line. है ना, this. Then another line you will make here. Then one more line. You can go close also so that the waves will be close. You know, you can simply make lines, 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 lines. And here in bottom, like it will not mix. And you can cut it. If you feel that you want to go a little higher, you can go a little higher and make this kind of cuts. Okay? And what you will do, you will simply take scissors and see very carefully using the tip. Just use the tip, 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 a cut. Why this cut? This cut will help you keeping your thread, which you will be using, and it will hold it. Okay, so that's why we need these cuts, very small cuts, not very deep, small cuts, and that's why I was telling that we need a stiff paper. So if your paper plate is not is very thin, and you have 2 to 3 paper plates, you can put them in a pile. It will give you a thin surface. So can you see, all of you see this kind of cuts you will find. You know, this kind of cuts you will find. And now the most important part. So please, if you're doing with your fishes, please keep it on a side and first do this. You know, this is the most beautiful part. Using this, you can make a cage, you know, you can make a seahorse, you can make starfish. If your plate is big, you can make so many beautiful. You can show a boat and a sunrise and a boat. Two kids are sitting on boat. You can show a diver and a boy who is doing diving. So what not? A treasure box you can make. What not? You can try anything. And like here, I'm using this for making aquarium. But if you want to use for some other showing something else, you can even show that too. Ready? Yes? Take cut. I will take a pause. And then we will start with the next step. Okay. And those who are still busy doing their fishes, please keep your fishes on one side. And you can do it afterwards because fishes we simply need to cut and put. And the thread you have now, put a knot. If you can put knot, it's okay. If you don't know how to put knot, then also it's okay. You can skip this part. Cello tape is needed. Hopefully, you all must have done this much. Can I check your things? Show me your plates. Ready? Okay. Now, what you will do? You will turn your paper this way. Come on. See here, you can clearly see the cuts. Can you see the cuts clearly? Now, turn your paper, turn your sheets this ways. And what you will do? You will take a piece of sellotape. Yes. I will take a small piece of sellotape because I want to do its pasting nicely backside. And so what will happen? It will grip. And in the end also we need sellotape now. So yeah. This ways I will put sellotape nicely where I'm going to get started with. Backside, two nice sellotape. If your sellotape is thick enough, so you can see 2 times I put sellotape. And just to give a grip, I put a knot also. If you can, you can, and press it nicely. Press it nicely so that it will not come up. And then your favorite work. See, this cut we have now. See, this cut. From here you will go. Then your first cut. You can go 2 times also. If you want to go 2 times from one cut, you can. If your plate is very light, like thin, so you don't pull it much. And then second cut, from cut to cut you will go. Okay? Then third cut, if you feel that one more cut should be closed, and it is quite far, so you can even put the cut also that moment also. Okay? Yes. And now you will start weaving it like this. And you can go for cross also. See, I'm going for cross. I went up, then I coming down. And this is the way I'm doing. And these cuts which I have made are going to help me. These all cuts. So make it that much big so that it can hold. So see, I'm going again to the next one. Can you see? I'm going up again and then down. And again the next cut. And you're simply rolling it around. Okay? And make sure according to like if your paper is, this is quite thin, then you can take it, And now because of this backside, like, so we are able to do it nicely. My few grips are left here. I will make it again. And this is the way I will start making frame. And many times rings you have, wooden rings. And many times in games you would be having hooflas kind of thing. Those can also be used for this. And many times sieve, chalni. We call it chalni. That could be used. You can make even ring with paper and you can make it. So this craft which I'm showing could be made using anything. Any kind of ring could be created also. If you don't want to use paper plate, you can take a cardboard and you can make this kind of shape. I'm simply going up, then coming down, and 2-3 times I'm doing this. Okay. If you feel that you want to cut here, it's not available, you can take scissors and you can make it that moment only. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And see, this thread will act like a magic in your craft. Okay. See. And last but not the least, when you will go back, you will again cut your thread and you will put sellotape. Okay? Yes. If you have dispenser ready, the dispenser you're having, so you will find it easy to cut. Otherwise, you can take help or you can simply hold it, cut and paste. So you're managing with so many things here when you do craft. And when you are able to manage so many things, you are handling colors, you are handling scissors, this make you multitasking. You are able to handle multiple things while doing any activity, any exhibition, suppose you have, or any other activity you have, or any task would be given to you, you will be able to fulfill it smartly. And craft keep your creativity alive, and craft gives you scope for reusing things. If you want to hang it, you can even hang it. Can you see how cute the waves are looking with thread? And you can make it more dense or less dense as you wish. Double-sided tape you can put on side and use it. Okay? Yeah. So here, very nicely, like with help of this cut, it has been done. And my fishes will go here. This is my mama fish. And this is Nemo. You can even do its pasting also. Okay? If you want to do its pasting, you can do its pasting as well. So show it like gripped with fishes. And if you feel that you want to make bubbles and all, you can use acrylic marker and you can show bubbles also. You can, if you're making big element, you can simply put it inside. Suppose you're making seahorse, which is quite big, you can simply put it inside. Otherwise, show them entangled like this as I showed. And this is the way your fish is ready. And a little inside, little outside. You can even show it this ways also, like mouth outside and body inside and tail outside. You can show it this ways also, diagonal. So it's completely your choice. And yes, of course, you can do its pasting also. As I told that you can even do its pasting. Yes. And this is your beautiful craft. If you want to put some grass or put some stones here, it will add more beauty to your work. Mama and baby fish ready. You can shift it little, and if you feel that your fish should nicely be at one place, so simply put a drop of Fevicol and you simply adjust it accordingly so that it will not move. This is your beautiful craft ready. Aquarium. Okay, you can make that thread, the weaving of thread more dense. है ना? And we will cover up one photo frame using the same technique, है ना? With help of this thread weaving. And for kids, like it is going to be super. And I can see so beautifully, like I can see Chehak. Chehak has completed also. Great. Very nice. And I can see work is on. Students are completely lost wrapping their paper. And now here you can weave this and you can put flower and you can show it as flower pot. And so this weaving is going to add a special look. Yes, I can see it. And Advita also. Advita, you put only 2 rounds? You have only this much? Okay. So you can arrange it afterwards. You did it so well. Good. Now you got the method now? Got the method? Okay. So afterwards, because she was having very small piece of ribbon, so she used ribbon with of orange color and she did so well with orange colors. And here I can see Devanshi made a flower bouquet. She used this weaving as bouquet and arranged flowers and used the plate accordingly. And here show Jacqueline, I'm not able to see it. Yeah. Jacqueline used that plate in which we have partitions now, like to keep different things and so beautifully turn up. Mishka, outstanding. And come, Ranakshana, show little with close distance. Thread you have done, thread work you did? No, no? Did? Okay, you were not having. Shukhalia, very good. Many students were having small piece of bunch. You can put more thread if you want, but you did it excellent. Very good. Perfect. The technique is perfect, my dear. है ना? And I can see Mishka, Harvey, है ना? Yes. So once you are knowing Akshaya, wonderfully completed. Once you know the technique, I will request all of you to try this again. This is Virayana. Viraya, so beautiful, so nicely you weave. And a thread part you did really excellently. Stuti, very good. Efforts are great. Lovely. You put bubbles also, है ना? Yes, Stuti put bubbles also. Very good. It's so creative. Amazing. This is a very different craft, and for best out of waste, it could be used. Devanshi used teal blue color in background, so it has turned up so well and lovely. Using this weaving, Anvi, very good. And next time use thick plate. Hai na? Today, like many of you were having very thin plate, but you did it so well. Aradhya, very good. Akshaya was having silver plate. On silver, she did with like Akshay did he did like the did with white, and it is really looking great. And students are still busy doing. So this was a very different craft, and hopefully you all must have enjoyed. I will request all moms to stay with us. Yes, Janani, very good. Cute little plate and lovely aquarium. Work is still on. I can see all are lost. So please stay tuned so that we can talk. Yes, I can see Divit. Divit's mom, very good. So cute. Lovely. Ma'am, please share your reviews. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, your spotlight.
Sure, ma'am. I'll share the
Uh,
reviews.
yeah. Hello, ma'am. How was the class? Like,
Ma'am, the class was really good. This is a very unique activity using the best out of waste concept. And this is too good, I would say, with very minimal materials and whatever is available. Kids learned how to make this, weaving types. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really wonderful.
and it very nicely Divit completed. Very good work. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do
Thank
share your feedback on WhatsApp as well. Divit, you
Sure,
did it
ma'am.
great, huh? Fishes are looking amazing. And you can use this idea for many more things to do, okay? We are going to learn a photo frame. In that, we will try to learn how to create heart shape using the weaving of thread. Soon we will be coming up with this. I will request other moms, Akshaya, uh, Adishi, Ranakshana, please, ma'am, try to unmute yourself. You all have that access. Hello. Parents, those who are spotlight, they can unmute themselves.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, she was very happy to join the session. She really enjoyed the session. Uh, yeah, it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
good.
Can I see how it turned out?
Mm, Thank you.
Wow, good effort. She like the thread work is, I think, is left. No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
very thin.
yeah. We had only small thin thread.
Okay, but still, the idea, I think, hopefully, she would have learned how
Yeah.
differently like thread could be used. And
Yeah.
excellent work. Red in background is really looking great.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, I will request Akshaya and Chehek and Janani. Please, Kanika, Janani's message I got. Please try to unmute Janani also. Chehek, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am. How are
ma'am.
you?
See you
Hello, Chehek. You did really
ma'am.
wonderful work.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. She's very excited, ma'am. She very
Okay, and how
enjoy.
was today's activity, ma'am?
बहुत
Please
अच्छी
share your
ma'am.
feedback.
Yeah, very nice, ma'am. Very nice. She's doing this
Okay.
one also, ma'am. Very interested to doing
Ah, this
everything,
is
ma'am.
so beautiful. I
Yeah.
gave the feedback. Very nice. Like the paper bag has become so special. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
She
Please, ma'am,
enjoy a
do
lot.
share it. And I can, Janani, you please try to unmute yourself. I can see such amazing craft in your hand, beautiful efforts of yours.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, session was so beautiful. Thank you so much for this wonderful session. We newly joined your classes recently. It has been very much useful for us. He's
Okay.
enjoying. Every time he wants his name to be, he wants you to talk his name actually. Today
Actually,
by
on
mistake,
screen, I'm able to read Janani. If you will rename your screen now, I will be able to call out the name.
Actually, for every session, there were 100 participants. He usually asked to me, why ma'am is not calling my name?
Ma'am, actually on screen, the name which is reflecting on screen, now we know that child is with that name only. So I think
Okay.
Janani is your name, hai na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name of child?
Sai Mitran. Sai Mitran.
Mitran. Yes, Mitran. Please rename your screen, okay, so that I can call out your name. And you did
Uh,
so beautiful. Like everything is beautifully done. Even the weaving which you did with thread, you did it
Actually,
excellent.
yes, ma'am. We came to know about your classes. You have conducted some in September month, 1 week, some free art session, right, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we have joined during that session. He was so much interested in your classes, ma'am. He usually asked me, Amma, shall we join the class today? When is the class? When is the class? So he was so much interested. After that only, I have enrolled, ma'am.
Okay, this is very good. Like if children are waiting, this is online class, and normally parents think in online class kids won't be able to sit, won't be able to focus. So if child is
Yes, yes,
waiting for drawing class, it is a victory, I think.
yes, ma'am. We are from Chennai. You are conducting classes in Hindi also.
Yeah.
Uh, he used to tell his friends, my ma'am is from Delhi. She is teaching Hindi classes like that. He is very much involved and interested in this art class, ma'am.
Wow, that's amazing. And even today's our craft, he did so well, even especially that thread work. Very good, Mitran. And please rename your screen so that I can call out your name every class because I can read on your screen Janani every time. And that's why I'm not able to know and understand. Okay? So rename your
Oh,
screen, ma'am. Ma'am, please do this
okay.
so that I can call out because students, yes, I can understand. They love to hear their names from teachers. Now onwards, so that I can call out the names. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
Thank you. Sure, ma'am. Sure, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And I can see
Hi,
Advita. Hello, Advita. Please try to unmute yourself.
hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
The
ma'am.
class was really very nice. Both of
Okay.
these girls enjoy a lot in your class, ma'am, and they eagerly wait for your class every after days.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
really amazing. Joyfully, if child is attending, and you don't have to pressurize. Chalo,
Yes,
classes, beto.
yes, ma'am. She does it by herself, ma'am. Actually, we usually don't disturb her. Whatever she is doing, whatever your instruction she follows, and that's very good thing that she follows all the instruction whatever you are giving. That is the
Yeah,
most important thing the child is developing.
yeah, yeah.
And implementing the things.
Yeah. Even today's craft, she did great.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was able to see.
Yes, ma'am. And she
Wow.
was so excited. You called her name thrice now. She is so happy. She in the whole of the house she is roaming here and there. Ma'am called by name. Ma'am called by name today thrice. That's so
Yeah, I can understand. Like they feel
yes,
that warmth. Now this is online class, so they
yes, ma'am.
feel connected
Yes,
when.
ma'am.
No, yeah, she's really amazing, and even to like her efforts are truly praiseworthy.
Yes, ma'am.
So great, and please do share your feedback on WhatsApp also, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, sure. Thank
You have done great work, Anvika. Very good, Advika. Okay.
you.
Yes, I will request Adishi's mom, Adishi Sahu. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Kanika, please check. Yeah, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself one more time. No, I think some technical issue we have. Okay. Please try it one more time, Adishi, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, stay with us. You know, after some time, try it one more time. Could be like that time. We could. By the time Bhavishya Kunku, I will request Bhavishya's mom to try.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Thank you.
I'm good. I'm good, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, sorry, ma'am. We was not able to attend the class today.
Okay, acha.
But actually, she had slept. She told me that she has to get up at 4:30, and I have to wake up her. But I was not able to because she
Okay.
was in deep sleep, and she wanted to join and see what artwork my ma'am has done. Please join the link. So we joined
Okay.
right now, ma'am.
It's absolutely okay, ma'am. You can
Mhm.
cover it up afterwards because recording is always available. So no
Okay.
issues. Okay, she can do if
Where is
she's
it
interested.
available,
She
ma'am?
want to learn because today's
Yeah.
craft is quite different than a
Okay.
routine craft. So she can do it afterwards also.
Where is it available, ma'am?
Adishi, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself if you can do it now. Okay, I think some technical issue we have. Stuti, I will request Stuti's mom to, and I can see cute and beautiful work and so many elements you add on, Stuti, which is really enhancing the beauty, like bubbles you add, stones you add. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, so she's very fond of the art geo classes, especially the weekend art craft classes. And she always says that today's art geo. Every morning she asks me. You're part of the pre-junior batch. She's enjoying all the sessions very simply with very minimal things. You are telling how to do it to the kids, and they're really enjoying the sessions. Thank you
That's
very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And even this artwork, Stuti, you did excellently. Wonderful. Even especially that thread part. Very good. Very good. Keep it up, my dear. Yes, I will request other parents also to try, those who are spotlight, so that we can talk to as many as we can. That is Arush Agrawal. Aditi ma'am, please, Adishi, please try. Adishi's mom, try it one more time so that if we have Arush Agrawal, we have Divyanka Jan. Please, you also try to unmute so that we can. Arush Agrawal, Divyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
Hel- Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How, hello.
Hello. ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, ma'am. Your sound is very low. Like, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah. Arush is very interesting to the class. Always drawing class. Or Arush has many changes to the hand skills and improvement.
Okay. He's improving like handwriting and other skills. You are able to see the improvement.
हाँ एंड राइटिंग एंड ड्राइंग में भी मतलब कलरिंग जैसे पहले बाहर निकल रहा है रफली कभी आउटलाइन नहीं करना चाहता था ब्लैक से ये वो एंड अब बहुत प्यारी ड्राइंग बनाता है मैम आपकी क्लास
अच्छा मैम एक चीज
बहुत
और आपसे जानना चाहूंगी आरुष के बारे में
हाँ
कि जैसे बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं अभी तो हाइपर एक्टिव होते हैं और हमारी
हाँ
क्लास ऑनलाइन हो रही है तो क्या आपको उनको पकड़ के बिठाना पड़ता है कि चलो बैठो बीच में से उठ के नहीं भागना ये वो अपने आप बैठते हैं और इस पूरे
हाँ
टाइम
हाँ
स्पेन तक बैठ के करते हैं ये
बैठते
एक चीज है जो पेरेंट्स अक्सर सोचते हैं कि ऑनलाइन क्लास में बड़ी मुश्किल होगी कि बच्चे बैठेंगे भी कि नहीं
कभी कभी होता है कि मैं कहूँगी आरुष आरुष स्टोरी सुनो मैम की बहुत अच्छी है इससे रिलेटेड है ये वो है। तो कभी कभी सुनते हैं कभी कभी ठीक है हाँ वैसे सुनते हैं बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं
अच्छा और यानी क्लासेस को जॉयफुली अटेंड करते हैं
या ऑलवेज
अच्छा यानी पकड़ना नहीं पड़ता कि नहीं चलो अब क्लास है
नहीं
अब आ
आरुष को
जाओ
क्योंकि हाँ ड्राइंग में इंटरेस्ट है तो वो करता है बहुत अच्छे से
ओके तो आपने
और
इनके
अब
फोकस
आपकी
में
जो संडे
इम्प्रूवमेंट
को
देखा है मैम इसके बाद
क्या
इनके फोकस में इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा है
हाँ फोकस में इम्प्रूवमेंट भी है और अब जैसे आपका क्राफ्ट क्लास संडे को होता है क्राफ्ट का इसको शौक है भी है तो क्राफ्ट संडे को मतलब ज्वाइन करना चाहता है कि अभी दो
हाँ
तो
इसीलिए
स्कूल में
क्राफ्ट
तो
हमने हर संडे को इसीलिए शुरू किया है कि बच्चों को इतना क्राफ्ट का शौक होता है ना, तो बच्चे कुछ
हाँ
क्रिएटिव सीखे, बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट सीखे। यानी मेरा
हाँ
पर्पस
हाँ
हमेशा ये होता है कि वो वेस्ट को रीयूज करना सीख जाए।
या मतलब कटिंग का शौक होता है ना बच्चों को, कुछ कटवा लो,
हाँ,
कुछ
नहीं, इससे
बनवा लो,
स्टेबिलिटी
कुछ
भी आती
शॉपिंग
है, और
करा लो।
क्राफ्ट इनके लिए इनके और भी स्किल्स को, मोटर स्किल्स को बहुत डेवलप करता है। दोनों
बहुत
हाथ दो
डेवलप
अलग तरह के काम करते हैं, तो
हाँ हाँ
अननोइंगली बच्चों की ब्रेन को जो एक्सरसाइज मिलती है इससे, वो बहुत हेल्पफुल है।
हाँ हाँ
तो ये सारी
हाँ
क्राफ्ट एक्टिविटीज इसीलिए, और ये हम लोग इसीलिए हर दिन शाम को 8 बजे एक मैं स्टोरी भी इनके लिए लाइव करती हूँ मैम। आप जरूर बच्चों को सुनवाइएगा, और भी सारे पेरेंट्स से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि शाम को 8 बजे हमारी एक स्टोरी पब्लिश होती है ना, जो मैं उन्हीं के लिए फ्रेम करती हूँ, एक दिन इंग्लिश में एक दिन हिंदी में। तो सारे पेरेंट्स आप अपने बच्चों को जरूर उस स्टोरी को सुनवाइए।
लिंक आपने सेंड किया है ग्रुप पे?
यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप मेरी टीम से पूछ सकते हैं, वो आपको लिंक शेयर करेंगे। यूट्यूब चैनल पे है मैम हमारे।
ओके 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 ओके।
हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक
Thank
यू।
you. Yes, Ira. Yes. Try to unmute yourself. Show your work, Ira. Wow, very good. है ना, आप ये जो this white thread ना, you can weave till bottom, है ना? I think you was having only this much of thread, but so beautiful you completed, and grass and stones, everything you tried. Very good. Enjoyed? Huh? Enjoyed the session? Lovely work. Ma'am, please share your feedback.
Yes, yes. Want to show this one also, ma'am?
Wow, very good. So beautiful. The mixing of colors and everything is excellent.
She
Great.
tried something.
Okay, ma'am, please do share your feedback also, okay?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am, sure, ma'am, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank-
I will request Akshaya also.
Ah,
Akshaya.
hello, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your super session. We are interested, very interested. Always he asking, hey, please join drawing classes, drawing classes.
And
He
Akshaya,
always
so you did
watching
really
in
great,
TV.
like thread work, you did so beautifully. Like with your
This is
small
first time,
hands, you
madam.
really
She's
lovely.
only 5 years old. She's asking every time join to drawing class, drawing class. He's always watching in TV only. This time only is the first time. He's doing very well.
Wow. We have many sessions of this kind, ma'am, available on our YouTube
Yeah.
channel and Arjio
Okay.
shop. If she is showing that much of interest, child is showing that much of interest, you can definitely take help of them. And they
Okay.
are
Thank you.
so creative and made out of waste material.
Okay. 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 Thank
Ah,
you.
this is
She's
time to
yeah.
make the things available of this kind so that they can simply.
We don't have many things here. Just now, yeah, just now today only join. We have no materials.
But still, it turned up so well.
It's urgently make it.
Yeah, very good. Akshaya, very good
Sure.
work. Very good, my dear. Very
Thank
good.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Please do share your feedback, ma'am, on WhatsApp as well.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Sure,
you so
ma'am.
much. Anvika, I will request you to please unmute yourself. And
Yes.
such amazing work, my God. And if I think you use bend, such
Yes,
creative
ma'am.
idea, hair bend. है ना? It's a hair bend, right? My God, look at the level of
एक्चुअली
creativity.
एक्चुअली ऊन नहीं थी मैम. गुड इवनिंग.
गुड
उलन नहीं
इवनिंग
थे
मैम,
हमारे
आपने
पास.
हेयर बैंड से इतना सुंदर लग रहा है ये, यानी मैं
वो
बता रही हूँ, थ्रेड से भी
वो है
अच्छा
ना.
लग रहा है। ये एक अच्छा आइडिया हमें मिल गया कि हम
यस
सिंपली
मैम.
क्लॉथ को भी रैप कर सकते हैं या हेयर बैंड को कर सकते हैं, एंड इट
और
इज
मैम
सो ब्यूटीफुल।
एक बात बोलनी थी मैम. थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम. आपके क्लास ज्वाइन करने से है ना, अनविका की ड्राइंग बहुत मीन्स पहले थोड़ी थोड़ी करती थी, लेकिन अभी बहुत प्रॉपरली कर रही है. और उसका अभी वो सीनियर केजी में है. और
अच्छा,
अनविका का अभी इस मंथ में उसको ड्राइंग कंपटीशन था स्कूल में, तो उसने ये
अ-
ड्राइंग की थी, तो उसका फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला
ओ
है.
क्या बात है अनविका, वेरी गुड, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। तुम्हारी मेहनत और तुम्हारा हार्डवर्क रंग लाया। अनविका, अपनी विक्ट्री के बारे में हमें जरूर व्हाट्सएप
और
करना, ताकि हम
और मैम ये आपके लिए आपके वजह से इसको मीन्स ड्राइंग में स्किल में और सर्टिफिकेट मिला है. वो
नहीं, ये
बहुत
हमारी वजह
खुश
से
है.
नहीं है, ये अनविका की मेहनत है, उसका
नहीं.
डिवोशन है, उसका हार्डवर्क है, और ईश्वर की ब्लेसिंग्स है। वेरी गुड अनविका। मैम, आप
थैंक
इसकी
यू
विक्ट्री के
मैम.
बारे में जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, ताकि हम
यस
डिफरेंट
मैम. यस.
प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे इसे पब्लिश करेंगे, ताकि और बच्चे भी मोटिवेट होंगे।
ओके मैम. थैंक यू वेरी
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस
मच.
आप दोनों को इस अमेजिंग विक्ट्री के लिए। वेरी गुड अनविका, कीप इट अप। आज का क्राफ्ट भी
और
आपने
मैम
बहुत अच्छा किया है, और
हाँ,
हेयरबैंड
और
का यूज
मैम
तो बड़ा ही
सिर्फ
क्रिएटिव लग रहा
दो
है।
3 महीने ही हुए हैं हमें ज्वाइन करके, लेकिन उसमें ना बहुत मीन्स इच्छा रहती है कि हर रोज याद करती है वो आपको कि
अच्छा।
हमारे लीना टीचर है,
ये
बहुत मस्त
हमारी यानी
सिखाते हैं।
बोलना चाहिए अर्निंग है हमारी क्लासेस
हाँ,
की।
यस
थैंक यू मैम,
मैम।
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी
थैंक
टू
यू
नो कि
वेरी मच
आप
मैम।
दोनों एंजॉय करते हैं क्लासेस। थैंक यू
यस
मैम।
मैम, थैंक
थैंक
यू।
यू। यस, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट मोक्षा। और मोक्षा, मैं देख पा रही हूँ, आई कैन सी सच लवली वीविंग एंड स्टोन्स एंड एवरीथिंग सो क्रिएटिव, like students add on with their creativity so beautifully. Yes, please ma'am, unmute yourself. Try to unmute yourself. Moksha, please try to unmute yourself. Okay, it's happening like with many parents facing this issue. Maybe. Okay. Yes. Are you able to, ma'am? Okay. I think some technical issue we have. That's why it's not happening. And hopefully, but show your thumbs up if you liked the class and enjoyed the class. Yes, you did excellent work, Moksha, and you add so many things, which is really making it beautiful. Beautiful mom of Moksha, please show your thumbs up if you feel that class was meaningful and you also find it good. Show your thumbs up. And with this, I think time to wind up. And thank you so much, lovely moms, for being with us, for your lovely time, for your amazing time, and for your feedback. So, with this, we will wind up the class. Take care. Lots of blessings. And dear children, try this kind of craft many more times and try to reuse. And waste plates, like any time if you have any party at home, you can clean it nicely, and you can use these plates. Multiple ideas you can create using the same technique. So with this, I will wind up class. You did excellent work. Yes, Netra, I can see your craft. Lovely. And even your Anvika. So Netra, try to unmute yourself if you could. We will talk with you and then we will wind up. If you could unmute yourself. Huh. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Okay, I think some technical issue we have. So chalo, with this, we will wind up. Thank you so much, lovely moms, for your presence and lots of blessings. All my dear children, I'm really proud of you. You all are amazing artists. Take care. Lots of blessings. Bye bye.